Hey Cakenistas, we're going to the orchard today. We are at Linvilla Orchard in Media, Pennsylvania. Bye, bye, bye. Oh, he heard me. Hi. Hi, cutie. Because I was like, bye, 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 bye. It stinks. I taste it. Ew. Barbecue. See that tent? That's the kind of tent I was looking at. I might as well be at Six Flags. Ooh, kettle corn. I want, mushrooms. You guys, you can get chips, hot wings, mozzarella sticks, mushrooms, funnel cake, kettle corn. They have face painting. I'm gonna get your face painted, Mom. What is that? Oh yeah, that's the market. It's so crowded, I can't tell what it is. We're going to go to the farm market after we pick our apples. For now, we're just trying to find where the apple orchard is. Pick your own, that away. To the left of us are their gorgeous flowers, their flower shop, and of course their pumpkin patch. Everybody knows that you've got to go to Linvilla and pick your pumpkin. I feel like I've been walking forever. Because we were. This was actually my first time driving to Linvilla. I always came as a kid, but of course I was just riding, so I ended up parking in the opposite end of the orchard. But there it is, relief. We found it. Now we can meet up with my Aunt Dara and get our bags. He said there's a guy under a tree.
Thank you all for coming out today. My name is Big Tom. We appreciate your business.
Big Tom?
And we are here right now to pick your own booth. We have some amazing apples today to pick. Your tart apples, I highly recommend you try the Stamen wine set.
All right.
The Empire and the Jonah Gold will be your tart apples. The sweet will be the Red and Gold Delicious. The green Muto, it's a sweet apple, good for baking. And the Barnsby Pink Lady is just off the hook.
I like the pink lady.
Where are you going first?
I'm not really going to the left. I'm just not good with being asked questions. Yeah, I am. My aunt meets up with her business fraternity every year and they go to Linvilla for apple picking. So we're going to join them, take a quick photo, and then get to picking. Hello. Boy, these flies eat good, don't they?
Yes, they do.
Golly. Red delicious. Oh, good, you got your first apple, Dara. I love that. You got to be a tall queen to get these apples. Oh, this was ready for the picking, too. It's a little bit bruised. It's brown, but it's sweet. But that's nature. But it's good.
It is nature. Yeah.
That's good. Smells like apple vinaigrette.
You know what? You should take some and make some apple cider vinegar.
I wish I liked vinegar. Oh, that's like perfect. Yeah. Look at that perfect apple.
Found by me. Found by me.
Nice. Oh boy, your bag is almost full.
Yeah,
That's
there's only
hard-
3 apples in here.
That's a hard time.
That's why.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, I know that's right.
What you gonna do, Turkey?
You did that, girl. That's a good one.
Say.
That's a good one.
Wait.
Look at all these gorgeous. I'm going for the ones up top that get all the juicy sun. I'm surprised that there's any out here. Yum, yum. Oh, look at that, you guys. Look at you.
Wine set.
Oh, he said it's tart, right?
I don't know. Stamen wine set.
What are you tasting there?
Not too sweet. A little tart. Perfect for snacking.
Ooh.
This would be great with peanut butter.
Oh,
Yep.
I love that.
Yeah.
I was gonna try it.
Here.
Okay.
Got a bit more in my bag.
You like that better than,
I like this better than golden delicious.
yeah,
Yeah.
golden delicioso.
And they're crisp.
Sounds crispy. Oh, there's a lot of these.
Yeah.
I don't think that's ready because it didn't just fall off.
He said don't touch the roped off one.
Oh.
Dang.
Oh, I could tell. That's why there's so many. That makes sense.
There was a sign.
Oh. Is that the one that you have? Stay Man? I definitely want the pink lady. Pink Lady. It's tart, like pear notes. Those are pretty. Derek came up with a K-pop drama where you both reach on the opposite side and it ends up being your soulmate. Love over picking. Ooh! Why aren't you sweating?
I am. I sweat predominantly from the back of my head. So you feel the back of my head is soaked.
I wish I was like that. I look like I'm slobbering on myself.
Thirsting for apples. That's part 2 to love over
Oh,
picking.
wow!
Thirsting.
I like that. No matter what, we're thirsting for apples. Thirsting for apples. Juicing for love, you know? The
Culinary artists meet at a wellness retreat.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on, Netflix. Pick these ideas up. Let's go. We can be writers.
Oh, yeah.
Harvesting love. That's part 3.
Harvesting love. In all the wrong places is the last one.
Yup.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Searching for love in all the wrong places.
4 seasons
The
right
twist,
there.
yeah. That one, they didn't see that one coming.
Plot twist.
The pink lady is really tart.
Ooh, then let me get some more.
Yeah, the pink lady's like, woo-ha! These are the ambrosia apples. They're pretty big. He should have given us some tips. That ambrosia is no joke. It's churro. Or Carol?
Chamoy?
Churro. Laurel. Oh, I forgot how to speak English for a second. I was like, Laurel. I've never heard of a laurel apple.
Me either.
And these trees look different. I don't see any apples yet, but wow, I don't think they're growing. Yeah, you're right, Vera. I don't think we're supposed to be over here. I'm just gonna, you like me to hold the branches for you?
No, I'm just pushing out of the way.
Okay. This is awkward.
Yay! There you go. Oh, wait. No.
We just finished apple picking. And now it's time to go to the farm market.
Come on, dog. We don't need no flowers. Come on, we got enough.
He said, come on, dog. We don't need no flowers. That's how it is, though. There's so many tempting things, including flowers. It's very, very, very crowded, so I'm not going to get the footage that I really want. But I can get a little bit for you guys. Carry some stuff. Yeah. When you first enter, you're going to come to the section with all of the delicious sauces, the jams, the jellies, and of course, honey. I used to always have to grab a honey stick whenever I came. Yeah. I see a fan, and I feel it too. Just so you know, it's the first week of October, but it is 80 degrees outside. So when I say it was hot, you guys, especially with that sun. But anyway, we have delicious desserts. They have so many amazing homemade desserts to choose from. Now, this case is empty, and that means that it was more than likely super full in the morning time. And now that it's about 2 p.m., 3 p.m., it is just about empty. But they have plenty of cheesecakes. They have those delicious breads that I see in the Amish markets a lot. Blueberry bread, raspberry bread, apple cinnamon, delicious loaves of bread. But what we came here for was the pie. You guys, for one, we love French apple pie in my family, and it's really hard to find nowadays. They make French apple pie. You're gonna see blueberry lemon pie, pumpkin pie, pecan pie, shoe fly pie, pie in your eye, okay? So some staples for the next time that you visit Linvilla: pie, must grab an apple cider, and you can even grab an apple cider donut. I would honestly go back just to try this lemon blueberry pie. It is looking like something special. And the next case over, they've got the meringue pies and chocolate custard pies. And then all throughout the entire store, you're going to see tons of different treats and candies. Caramel apples, this is my calling right here. And then they have brittles, chocolates, pretzels, and even produce. It is a market after all. Ooh. I don't know why I like their checkout line so much. Maybe because it's like halfway indoors, halfway outdoors. But this is the checkout section. They have multiple lines open. Good old customer service. You even get a bagger. Like, how can you beat that? I am on the road. Look at the beautiful orchard and the land. So much land here in Pennsylvania. This guy was behind me in line, and he kind of like poked me in my side with the tip of his finger and was like, "Excuse me, didn't you say you were gonna buy my eggs?" And I was like, "Ah!" I don't know what the purpose of that was, but no, I wasn't gonna buy your expensive eggs. What kind of joke was that? You could have just said hello. I love this orchard. I've been coming since I was little. When you grew up in Philadelphia or the surrounding area, it's one of those destinations that you're definitely gonna go to, like on a school trip. Growing up, when my school would come, we would take the witch's hayride, and we would go to the witch's house, and the hay would poke you all up in the booty, and she would give you a little pack of M&Ms for your pain and suffering. So it was a fun time, you know. It was a fun outing. Lots of bugs, lots of flies. Wear your sneakers. I'm sure that I've tracked at least several thousand gnats up in between my sneaks and ankles. It's all in the journey of good apple picking. So I actually got a lot of Red Delicious, mostly Red Delicious. I'm nice and full. That belly is full from apples. I hope that you enjoyed our little outing with me and my Aunt Dara. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Cake Nistas.